Hey there, would you like to earn up to $150 per month? Sounds pretty exciting, eh? Plus, you don't need any experience to get started. Well, guess what? I just found a site which I would like to share with you that states that you can make up to $150 per month. I'm looking really forward to sharing it with you. Let's go ahead and check it out. My name is Rupesh, and this channel, along with my website Passive Income for All, is to assist you. It's to help you to find the best possible way to making money online. Look, there are a lot of opportunities out there. It can go one of three ways. Either it can end up to be a complete scam where you end up wasting a great deal of your money and lots of time. Or secondly, it can be an opportunity where you can earn money, but you need to constantly work at it. So it's not going to give you a passive income. And obviously the third way is my favorite, where you can earn a passive income online. Go ahead and click on the link below this video to check out my #1 recommendation to earning a passive income online. And by the way, if it's your first time stepping by, a very warm welcome to you. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so we can be kept up to date on the latest happenings within the online world. Okay, so the site that I'm talking about is called GoTranscript.com, and it's basically looks like this: 100% human generated transcription service. Get started today, join thousands of happy GoTranscript customers. And how it works: upload files, pay online. So what exactly is GoTranscript all about? You see, this is a platform where people send through their audio files or their video files to be transcribed. So what exactly does transcribe mean? It just means that if you have an audio file, you just want it to be converted into a Word document or a video file, and you want somebody to translate it for you or transcribe it to you into a Word document. And that's where you and I come into the picture, because we can actually join as a transcriptionist at GoTranscript, and that is where they will pay you for transcribing these audio documents. So let's take a look at how that works. So here we are at the part of the site where it is more for transcriptionists. So in other words, for folks like you and I who want to make money by typing online, because that's what you're going to do at the end of the day. You're going to listen to the audio files or the video files, and then you simply have to type out what it is that you hear. You send the file back to them, and then they pay you. That's basically in a nutshell how it works. So transcription jobs available. When you come to the site, it will look like this, and then there's a video that you can click on and you can watch, and it will show you more about the process on how you can actually make money as a transcriptionist.
Transcriptions for our clients.
Let me
As a transcriber or editor, you will be able to earn money by creating or editing audio transcriptions.
Okay, it's about 3 minutes long. But what I want to show you is the pay rates. This is how much they will pay you for transcribing. They will pay up to 60 cents per audio or video minute, and the average that you can make in a month is up to $150 average earnings per month. And the top monthly earnings, this must be on one of the transcriptionists, they have earned about $1,215. That is some serious money. So GoTranscript is a thriving web-based transcription and translation company. We always looking to fill our open freelance transcription job so we can grow our team and keep pace with customer orders. If you are a skilled transcriptionist who takes pride in your work, you want to make a difference in the world, we want you. So you can go ahead and click on this button to apply for the job. Okay, this is a disclaimer that they've got. But what I want to show you here: do transcription jobs from home, get paid reliably, work flexible hours, receive great support, choose your own projects, grow your own skill. So these are the benefits that you get of a work from home business as a transcriptionist, which I'm sure you'll agree is quite great. But let's take a look at the frequently asked sections. Okay, so here we are in the frequently asked sections. Where to start? To become a transcriber, the requirements is you need to check out the guidelines, and then there's a video that you need to transcribe. And if you click on this link, it will take you to a video, and that's where you have to do your first assignment. So that is your first test job. And most of these transcription sites, they usually work that way, where they need you to do a test job or they need you to do an assignment to see if you qualify. Like even TranscribeMe, for instance, they want you to do an exam, and only if you pass the exam then you can go ahead. You do not need any experience to become a transcriber, and these guys are located within the United Kingdom, and they take folks from anywhere in the world. And are there any requirements on how fast you need to become? No, we do not have any requirements. We give around 6 hours to transcribe 10 minutes of an audio or video file. And then how many transcriptionist jobs do you have? This is the cool part, that they have plenty of jobs according to the site, and they receive new orders from the clients every single day, and therefore you will always have a job if you join or if you qualify as a transcriptionist. Why does our test job? Okay, how will I get paid? We pay every Friday, and they use PayPal as well as Payoneer. And then what happens if I fail the test job? You can try the test job again in a few days, and then what happens after you pass? If you should pass the test, then you can sign up as a client with the same email, and then after that they will contact you. So now there are a few things, while this all sounds quite great, there are two things that I would like to bring to your attention, which I think are not so favorable. The two things that I'd like to discuss are this part here, where it's 60 cents per audio or video minute. And then the second thing that I would like to discuss with you is this part here at the bottom, where they said 6 hours to transcribe 10 minutes. Let us work it out, right? So you're going to get paid 60 cents per minute, and they're going to give you a 10-minute track, which you got 6 hours to complete the job. So you're roughly looking at earning around $6. Now, doesn't it sound like so much of effort to earn that much of money? At this point in time, I'd like to draw your attention to my #1 recommendation. Look, you're also going to be typing online, just like GoTranscript, but the difference is you're going to put in all your time, your efforts, and your energy into building your own online business. At the end of the day, it is something that's going to be yours. You don't need any experience to get started, but most importantly, it's going to offer you the benefit of earning a passive income online. And I think that's the big takeaway from this video. I'm not saying that GoTranscript is a scam. All I'm saying is that this is the difference. And if you really want to take things to the next level, I'll be here to help you every step of the way. All you have to do is just click on the link below this video, learn more about my #1 recommendation, sign up to this platform, and let's help you get started with creating your very own passive income online. Thanks so much for joining me on this video. I hope that now you can see what the site is all about and how you can potentially earn up unto $150 per month. Go ahead and click on my #1 recommendation, the link below, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so that we can chat in our next video. Wishing you everything of the best in your online business, and please do be safe. Goodbye.